We switched from Wodify to PushPress, and this is like to other gym owners being completely honest, because guess what the app says? It says our name. And I think as a brand, if you are trying to establish yourself in this market, you have to have a brand. And I can't use another company's brand to tell somebody to download that, even though they just joined this gym. On their first day, they're like, wait, what gym do I belong to? It starts with a W? I'm not even sure. Like, it's not ingrained in their mind like it is ingrained in ours. But when somebody walks in and now they sign up for their free trial, they're like, what do we do? What do I do next? Download the 2020 Fit app. Oh, dang, you guys are legit. It gives us a sense of legitimacy on day one. So that honestly pushed us forward very, very quickly. But then the having access to Grow, and we have completely underutilized it. The capabilities that are there is something that gets me really excited as we look forward. But seeing that we can use that system, we're probably using 10% of it right now. Seeing that we can use that system to keep what is turning into a bigger gym and make it small is really important for us as we look forward.